Welcome to our channel. ERD is an engineer-owned industrial electronic repair company that offers industry-leading 3-year warranty because we don't just repair your unit, we refurbish it. This Ebarra Precision Machinery is a custom scale system that determines force using a load sensor mounted between two plates. This unit is shown being validated with calibrated weights before shipping. This device was sent to ERD after being rejected by a calibration lab. At ERD, we were able to repair and rough calibrate it within a week. Thank you for watching our channel. Please subscribe to ERD TV for more videos.